This only happens in Uganda, and not every time. It only happens in Uganda during election period times. You see this? People are lining up, and just know this guy here is checking the people in the line so that the security is safe. But look at where the guy is touching from the woman. In between the legs. And the most funny part of the thing is, this white lady is really smiling. I can't believe she is smiling. Seems like she's happy. And the one behind seems like he's saying, I wish I could be next to be touched like this. She's standing steadily while between her legs is being touched. Human being. Oh, she's not even smiling. She's laughing instead. Look, just look at the teeth. That is good for them. Maybe you're outside there also wishing to join them. But which country does it happen? In Uganda. And not every time. During times of election. Bye.